Introducing the new Trimble GFX-750 display. As we open the box, you'll notice the Nav 900 controller, which is Trimble's new guidance controller and GPS receiver all in one. Very different from anything in the past from Trimble, combining the GPS receiver and controller together. Here's our connectors, Deutsch plug and two round aviation connectors now. Here's our three mounting brackets for the Nav 900 with double-sided tape to allow them to be stuck down to any roof. Got our U-bolts for mounting our display and our RAM mount. They've gone back to the RAM mount here, which is the same as our CFX-750 or FMX displays. Our in-tractor user guide, nice glossy fold out, has plenty of information on it. Then we've got our universal mount for our Nav 900. So this mounting bracket can be used with the three brackets we showed earlier to stick down to any tractor cab. You can also buy larger mounts that adapt to the existing roof bolts on a lot of the newer tractors as well. Under our display box, we've got our cabling. So here we have our basic power cable to connect to battery. It's the same power cable as the CFX and FMX displays. Also our connector cable here for connecting the Nav 900 and display together. They're using round aviation plugs. And our power cable for the display itself, which has the same plug as the CFX-750 display. This should make it easier to upgrade if you're using the 750 display now, if you've got that existing cabling. And here we have the display, the new GFX-750. Looks very similar to the TMX 2050 display, just slightly smaller. You'll notice it's still very slimline. Got our connectors on the back, got our power button there, our inbuilt speaker, and also two USB ports now hidden, protected from dust and dirt. So that's it guys, Trimble's new GFX-750 display.